Please. Okay, in this second part of 23, which we're going to call 23b, we're going to sketch the graphs of cosine x and its reciprocal function secant x. Again, referring to the unit circle and just using these critical values, we know that the period of cosine is 2 pi. Let's start with cosine of 0, which we know is equal to 1. Cosine of pi over 2 is 0. Cosine of pi is negative 1. Cosine of 3 pi over 2 is again 0, and cosine of 2 pi is again 1. Draw in one cycle of the cosine function, and then of course we can do the same thing on the other side to complete another cycle. Now, what we want to add to this is the secant function. And remember, the secant is the reciprocal of the cosine function. Now, where cosine is equal to 0, remember the reciprocal of that will be undefined. So, first thing that we want to do is put in those asymptotes. Remember, these occur where cosine is equal to 0. Now, between these, when you take the reciprocal of cosine when it's equal to 1, you will also get 1. So that's right here and right here and right here at those local maximums. At the bottom, when cosine is equal to negative 1, the reciprocal is also negative 1. So we get points here at the local minima. And then in between those values, where we're going to get the reciprocal of square root of 2 over 2. And remember, we just calculated that on the previous one. It's about 1.4. And we will have that, say, at negative pi over 4 and at pi over 4. And then we can see what the shape of the secant function will be. Remember, it also will approach the asymptotes in each case, but never reach them. And the graph would be what we're seeing here in pink.